Hello everyone, this time is the creator Nami. So let's have a look at the box. This is the front, side, back, the other side, top, and the bottom. Actually the box is already open because my recording did not record just now. But still, I'm just going to go through the unboxing motion. So let me just get the box open. Alright, here is the base, very nice detailed base, bottom here, two flipper, and here is Nami. So let me just get her on the base, very simple, no packs, just patterns, place her on here, that's it. Alright, let me just get her flipper on first. There's actually two, and they're different pair. This one is on her left foot, right foot. This one is on her left foot. Okay, let's just get her on. Very pretty, very nice. Paint job is pretty good. Detail is pretty good. One part that I don't like is her face. If you see it from this angle, it looks like her face is kind of flat. Her lock pose, lacking a bit on detail. Tattoo. Her hair, there's a little gradient here. Kind of empty on the back. Flipper, not very nicely done. Let me see if I can put her on herself without the stand. Let's try this. Oh no. How about without this flipper? Ah, it works. But it looks weird. It looks like she sprained her back. Ouch. Okay, let me just get her on here. Creator Nami.